Study of patch budding technique. Principle in vegetative propagation by different grafting method. The scion consists of a short detached piece of stem with a small portion of bark, with the very similar to grafting process. The budding is often called as grafting, hence budding is grafting technique which a single bud from the desired scion is used rather than the center containing means bud. Patch budding. Patch of bark is removed completely from the stalk and replaced with the patch of bark of the same size containing the bud of the cultivar to be propagated is called as patch budding. Patch budding is relatively slower and more difficult to form than the tea budding. This method is old used for species with thick bark, example rubber tree, walnut. Requirement: budding knife, woody plants, prominent bud plants, polyethylene strip, wax, etc. Select the healthy root stock and prepare a rectangular patch bark by removing from the stem at about 10 to 20 centimeter above the ground. The selected bud of cultivar that to be propagated, remove the bud patch from selected cultivar. It should be slightly smaller than the patch of bark with bud by inserting the knife blade beneath bark. Insert the removed bud at the strip and immediately on the stalk in the prepared patch with re-exposed wood. Close the patch with bud at the top to bottom on the stalk. Care should be taken that the patches are of some size. After the fixing the bud patch on the stalk, it should be detached and wrapped with polyethylene strip. Bud most fully exposed. This wrapping protects the joint from dissection and entry of fungal spore in the wound region. During period, the bud patch on its foreside start baling and will unite with bark of stalk. After sufficient growth of bud, remove the polyethylene tape to avoid grinding in the region of joint.